All right, guys, let's do another box of 2018 Topps Inception Baseball. Getting down to the very end of this case. So I've got this box and one more box behind it. So hoping we can pull a big hit out of here, like an Ohtani, Jeter, Mike Trout, one of those guys. So there's 7 cards per box, 1 hit, and let's see what we can get. So actually, I take that back. Brian, you've got the Angels. Then you've got the Diamondbacks, the Braves, the Orioles, the Red Sox, the Cubs, Tigers, Indians, Astros, Dodgers, Brewers, Yankees, Padres, Giants, Mariners, Cardinals, Rays, Rangers, Blue Jays, and Nationals. Jeff H. with the White Sox, Reds, Rockies, A's, Phillies, and Pirates. And then Mike P., you've got the Mets. All right, let's see what we can get out of here. All right, base first, we got Max Fried to 150. This guy pops up everywhere. Got Freddie Freeman for the Braves. Got Chance Cisco for the Orioles. Got nice Miguel Andujar for the Yankees. Bryce Harper for the Nats. Got an Ozzie Albies for the Braves, and then a nice hit here. Second one we've pulled out of this case. We got a Rafael Devers, number to 99 for the Red Sox, on-card auto. Going to Boston, and that's Brian. Brian, nice hit for you there, dude. Hit a big homer the other night. All right, and that'll do it for Inception. So we'll get all those cards mailed out to you guys tomorrow. And we'll do our last box of this case coming up here in the next couple weeks.